Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to delete Instagram messages. So to do that, let's head over to our Instagram application. Once you are there, make sure you have logged in into your desired account and then head over to the three lines icon or to the DM section on the top right. And once you're there, just head over to any chat box. So I'm heading over to this one. If I send a message from here, suppose I'm sending a hi. So if I want to delete this chat, what I have to do is keep tapped on it and this layout will arrive in front of me, and there are two options. First one is delete for you, second one is unsend. If you just tap on delete for you, then the message will be deleted from your side but not from the other side. But if you tap on unsend, it will be deleted from the both sides. So I'm just currently tapping on unsend and the message is unsent from both sides. So yeah, this is how you can delete Instagram messages. Hope this video will help you out and we will see you in the next video.